Dr. Greg again here with another video about sugar, and this time we're going to expand on the last video with sugar and wrinkles, and we're going to talk about sugar and varicose veins. Now, you all know what varicose veins are, maybe? It's a very common disorder in veins. It's basically the veins in your legs start to balloon and you get those ugly marks on your legs. Now, varicose veins, it's a disorganization of smooth muscle. Now, smooth muscle is what's found in our venous system, and also collagen plays a very important part in the integrity of the cell walls in our veins. Now, what they did was they ran a study, and the study looked at the amount of what's called hydroxyproline. Hydroxyproline is a very important component of collagen, and particularly type 3 collagen. And it actually gives the collagen a lot of stability and a lot of strength. So hydroxyproline is very important for collagen strength. Now, what they did was they also looked at the production of type 3, type 1, and type 5. Yeah, there are 5 types of collagen, which we'll get into later on. But type 3 is really important for elasticity and integrity of the cell walls as well as our skin, as I mentioned before. The production of type 3 in comparison to the other ones. So they compared those to people who didn't have varicose veins and those that did. And they also looked at biopsies, which is like a little bit of tissue from people with varicose veins and people without varicose veins. And what they discovered was that hydroxyproline in people with varicose veins was really high, and those without varicose veins, hydroxyproline was low. Now, hydroxyproline shouldn't be floating around on its own in the bloodstream. It should be bound to collagen, making it stronger. So the fact that hydroxyproline was really high in those individuals that had varicose veins indicates that type 3 collagen was lower. And in fact, they discovered that type 3 collagen was deficient in individuals with varicose veins. Now let's go back to last week and what does sugar do to collagen, right? Sugar, when it's metabolized in your bloodstream, produces AGEs. Remember the AGEs? They actually degrade type 3 collagen into type 1 collagen. And this could be the mechanism. It sort of cleaves or takes out hydroxyproline, which unravels the collagen, type 3 collagen, making it a type 1. So, did you know that sugar has an impact on varicose veins, those ugly venous little tracts in your skin that are blue and red and all kinds of, and green, all kinds of ugly tracts going along your legs. And sugar can have a lot to do with that. So, think about that. This is Dr. Greg, changing the way we look at health.